In this video, we'll go over some of the biggest updates to Scriptable Sheets this past year, including Unity 6 support, collection tables, support for Serialize References, and so much more. Let's dive in. Collection and array workflows have been significantly improved. A new collection tables setting and toolbar dropdown can expand a single array or list into rows grouped by their owning object. This allows you to view and edit collection data in a dedicated table format. Add and remove buttons are available for each row to quickly insert or delete collection elements. The new best fit setting displays the maximum size found for each array. This provides better visibility into collections with different lengths. Serialize reference fields are now fully supported in Scriptable Sheets. Each row includes a drop-down to select the concrete subtype used by that row. Changing the subtype updates the available columns accordingly. Columns are displayed for every concrete subtype of the Serialize reference field. You can also right-click the column header and open the Manage Type Columns menu. These Manage Type options allow you to toggle which concrete subtype columns are visible. This makes polymorphic data significantly easier to view and edit in a spreadsheet format. Scriptable object references with no assigned asset now include a Create button. This allows you to create and assign a new instance without leaving your current sheet. Column headers now include additional context menu actions. You can quickly hide, copy, filter by, or change the column header colors. Property filters are now more powerful. Filters can be chained together using and/or operators. Filters can also reference columns by index using a $sign prefix. An adjustable row line height setting is now available along with asset preview icons and thumbnails for object references, including addressable asset references. You can also use the Map Asset Preview column header option to customize which asset preview is displayed per column. This makes asset previews such as sprites, prefabs, audio clips, and other references easier to identify at a glance. Speaking of audio clips, they can now be played with an inline play button to listen to the audio without leaving the window. The actions and name columns can now be docked using the column header context menu. Working with large sheets is now more manageable with new navigation and data transfer improvements. Pages can now be changed using Control or Command plus left and right arrows. Selected pages are also persisted across sessions for each sheet and object type. An auto-generate setting is now available to automatically create scriptable objects when importing or pasting more rows than currently exist. Finally, Pastepad has received a number of quality of life improvements, featuring a new toolbar with rich text formatting, find and replace capabilities, and line number support. These updates, along with many other fixes and improvements, make Scriptable Sheets the ultimate asset management tool.